Hello, in this video we're going to see how to save a visualization in presentation. So let's say you used Viewpoint for visualizing your Salesforce application and you are pretty happy with this visual. So you want to share it and save it. So you can share in a presentation slides as my presentation, for example, and add a description of your slide in the format that you want. Also, you can actually bookmark different visuals. So let's say you like this one as well. You can add the dependency map in the presentation. So you can actually go back and forth into saved views using slides of another presentation. And those slides, you're going to be able to share them either just by sharing their URL or giving the right access level to the right people. If I just open this URL in a new tab, you're going to see how interactive this is. So the visual stays clickable. You can click the different labels. Also, if you double click on a component, you can see its description, pull the legend, for example. So it's pretty interactive. It stays interactive. And on top of being interactive, those presentations are always live with the latest data. So if someone make a change, for example, through a survey, change the ownership, it's not Marta anymore, but it's Anu, and submit it, then the presentation is going to be updated with the latest data. So you don't actually need to redraw the slides. The tool is going to do it for you automatically. Although those presentations can be published in tools like SharePoint, Teams, or Confluence, for example, where it stays interactive and always up to date. So you will be able to communicate thanks to those presentations where people actually work.